In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify a fabric color code using Canva. First things first, let's get started by opening up Canva. It's such a versatile platform, isn't it? Whether you're designing a presentation, creating social media graphics, or just playing around with colors, Canva has you covered. Once you're in Canva, you'll want to prepare your design. This is your canvas, your space to bring the creative vision to life, or in our case, identify that perfect color. You can start with a blank design or open up a current project, whatever you need for this purpose. If you have a specific image in mind, now's the time to upload that file into Canva. Just drag and drop or use the upload function to get started. Now let's focus on the design area itself. Click on the background of your design space. This gives you the platform to play around with colors. Once you have it selected, you'll notice an option that allows you to alter the background color. Head over there by clicking on the color icon. This is your gateway to unlocking the fabric color code of that shirt you're interested in. Now, if you want to uncover the exact hex color code of that shirt in your design, you just need to click on Add New Color. It's really handy, giving you an array of creative possibilities. When you select Add New Color, you'll be directed to an area where you have the option to pick a color from your design directly. Use the tool to click on the specific color of the shirt you're curious about. This action will seamlessly add your selected color to your design's background. Isn't that neat? And just like that, underneath the Photo Colors section, you'll now be able to see all the available colors within your design and, more importantly, the hex code of each. Hex codes are super valuable, especially if you want consistency across different projects or platforms. If you want to ensure you have a quick reference for future designs, or perhaps you need this exact color code for another project, you can easily copy it. Simply click Add New Colors once more, and you'll notice the hex color code is clearly visible. Copy this code and save it wherever is most convenient for you, be it in a digital file or written down. And there you have it. You've successfully uncovered the fabric color code using Canva. It's such a straightforward process, but makes a world of difference in maintaining a consistent aesthetic across different designs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing with Canva.